If your Samsung phone gets stolen, what do you think the thief will try first? Will they check your Gmail account, look through your photos and videos, or read your WhatsApp messages? Absolutely not. The first thing a thief will try to do is make sure you can't reach your phone, so they'll turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data so you can't track the phone. But in today's video, I'll show you a setting that, once turned on, will stop Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off without your password. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you can see on the screen that the phone is currently locked. When I turn Wi-Fi on and then try to turn it off, I can easily switch it off, and I can also easily turn off mobile data. That's exactly what a thief would want to do after stealing your phone. So, how can you stop them from doing this? For that, you need to go into your phone settings. After opening settings, scroll down and go to the lock screen option. In lock screen, you need to go to secure lock settings. If it asks for your password, just enter it. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, please like the video and let me know which country you're watching from. Alright, from here, turn on the lock network and security toggle. Now, if someone tries to turn Wi-Fi on and then turn it off while the phone is locked, they'll need to enter the password for security. This way, the thief may get stuck and you'll have a better chance of tracking your phone. If you have any security-related questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.